Hi guys, I've been playing around with Plymouth and perfecting the ArcoLinux-Nemesis scripts for it. I've also shown how I start making these scripts, but first you need to figure out what do I need to change, and then later on you can script it any way you see fit, right? So this is a new, different system, new operating system in a virtual box. This is ideal to test, right? You test in VirtualBox, and we're going to get the new code in ArcoLinux-Nemesis. You make your own copy of this one, and in the AUR there are some new things. Install Plymouth. So if you like that, there is the systemd, and it will tell you you do not seem to be on the systemd boot enabled system, right? So no, that's not gonna work. It's systemd. We have an ArcoLinux grub. On the riser you can choose, you can have systemd. I've made a video about that. So I thought, yeah, well, let's also include, also the grub version of it. So Plymouth grub, and always with one theme, the mono arch. You keep on installing more themes if you like, right? Now, it's good that this happens. You must have the reflex. If you see this target not found, you said, Eric, don't message me, right? Update. What is update doing? It's going to get the latest, newest databases from the repos, from anywhere, also Arch. This is Arch, this is us. So it's going to get the databases in, which is very small actually, kilobytes. And then he'll know, oh, look at that, there is indeed a new package. So I'm not going to update this virtual machine. I'm going to go and do it again. And say, oh, look at that. On the third party, there's Plymouth. And also Plymouth Git, by the way. And he's going to install all these packages. And here we see already something strange, something new. So in the file etc make initcpio.conf, we've added a text, Plymouth, and he finds it. And not only that, we also have to change the grub, so etc default grub.conf or just grub, and that's where we're gonna change things. And later on we're gonna say update grub. So basically this is an update grub thing, and then we have a look. So what is this all about? This is Plymouth. 1, 2, 3. Something went wrong. Let's make the script better, right? This is not supposed to happen. So you go to the files that are relevant for the system. etc make initcpio.conf. We've seen that. Plymouth was in there, right? Base use dev Plymouth. That's okay. That was, oh, super F, no, a tiling window manager, right? Definitely not used to being on XFC again. And the other thing is file system etc, here it went wrong. So default grub. Yep, there is no splash in there. What it should do is replace this, Control C, let's have a look. And I should go to Eric and data and ArcoLinux-Nemesis AUR. So the grub thingy is going to go for grub command line default car. Oh my god, right? This, you see this one, and here there are two of them. It all matters. Yeah. Are they different? I'll just make another copy paste. I'll do that. For in case that users have, but shouldn't they have double quotes anyways, always? Let's see on my own proper system. So computer etc default grub has here double quotes. I think I just made a typo there. That's it. I am assuming that I make a typo. So what I'm gonna do is keep recording and telling you what I'm doing on my end. I go to Sublime Text and get that typo out. So this needs to be changed to that, which is a problem kind of, because I need to do a backslash for it, and here as well I need to take a backslash for it. I think that will work, but testing, right? It's always the testing bit that really is going to tell if it's working or not. So updates. So uploading to GitHub, change, voila, that's enough. Let's get that rid of all that and rid of that. Oh my god, right? Let's first of all def. Does not exist. What was it again? An alias. There's an alias for it. Alias to have more stuff that I want, that I need. Sometimes I actually forget my own things that I've created. But actually it's not an alias, Eric. It's not an alias. So list me the user share, user share, yes, no, user local, yes, and then bin, yes. ArcoDef, okay, ArcoDef. It's going to install me Sublime Text, Platform Searcher bin, meld, things that I need, ArcoDef. So when I click on this thing, I get a proper tool, Sublime Text. Now first we're gonna git pull this thing. So git pull. We've got a new one. What did I do? I put here a slash before double quotes and there as well, hoping that he'll understand what I mean. Ls, okay, install Plymouth grub mono arch. Let's open up this one, and now we need to open up computer file system etc default grub. And do we have it? So yes, quit, yes, quite better. Splash and that, and no spaces, and these are good, double quotes are good. This is what it should be as code. And this is how we fix things, because nothing is right the first time around, right? So I could delete this video, but this is also an educational video. Why not teach people what goes wrong and how to solve things? Analyze, 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 analyze. Come on, move, go. Yeah, finally. Took some time, but we got the logo. Super X shut down. Here it stays longer, like breathing, but done again. But a few minutes ago there was this hold up whatever, and he was showing off his nice breathing ArcoLinux logo. So that's it for me. It's there if you want it. It's just a script. If you think you can improve the script, please be my guest and tell me, and we'll change it and test it and change it, of course, and then that'll be that. All right, cheers.